What's up, guys? Welcome back to the ASAP Automotive channel. Today we're breaking with a little bit of the routine with the Jeep project. Don't worry, we're still working on that. But today we wanted to talk about our new lift. I am so freaking excited about this thing, guys. Like, I have definitely paid my dues the past, God, almost 2 years, like a solid year and a half I've been here in this shop now. And even before then, doing it, just on my back in the garage or whatever. So I cannot tell you how excited I am about this stupid thing. We had a few little issues along the way with some shipping and stuff like that, but it's all good. So we went with Benpack. There's a handful of different companies out there, and some of them are great in their own mind and all that cool stuff, but I really like Benpack. They make some quality stuff, and they had one that was an extra foot taller, and that's what we got here. Because the carriage goes up, I think like another 6 or 8 inches, and everyone wants another 6 or 8 inches, right? So money well spent. Oh my God, you know how nice it is to be able to work on your vehicle now and not do crunched over like that. So anyways, yeah, I am so freaking excited about this thing. Finally got everything in, set up and adjusted, and we got it all wired in. And being that things are growing so fast, I mean, I've almost got this lift already almost paid off, and hopefully within the next couple of months, we'll have our second one in. Everything's already wired, ready to go. We went ahead and got the little power pack thing that you can get with it. So now we've got a couple extra outlets on there, and we'll have one of the next big things we'll be doing in the shop is running our air system. I've already got it designed out. It's just totally a budget thing, but it is one of the next things. But we'll have air right here on the lifts. We'll probably go ahead and have an extra hose reel or something up there. You can never have too much airline. So yeah, we went with a 10,000 pound. You can buy a lot of cheap lifts online. You can, especially if you're just doing something at your house or whatever, but you got to be really careful. We went with it's the ALI, ALI, American Lift Institute. This is their gold certification, so it doesn't really get any better than this. And being that we're going to use this thing day in and day out, I'm going to have techs and myself underneath this thing. It's well worth it to have a quality lift. So when you're looking, yeah, you could probably save $1,000, but I think I only spent like $3,800 on this thing. So well worth it. It's got low profile arms. It's asymmetrical at like 30 degrees, which means the posts are rotated out. So it makes it nice for being able to open car doors and work inside the car while you got it on the lift. So these are all kind of little things that you really need to think about when you're getting a lift. Of course, what kind of clearance, and we lucked out. We got plenty of clearance to get the taller model, which I was going to make the clearance if we didn't have it. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like, just so freaking excited about this thing. There's all kind of little accessories you can get. I think we're going to get with it. So yeah, hopefully in the next couple of months we'll have our second one in here. It's growing that fast, just like the channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. It means the world to us. Your feedback, you guys are loving it. It really, it can make a crappy day really great. Like, it really does. We're so glad you guys are loving it. And give us some feedback. Any other stuff you'd like to see? Like I said, hopefully here soon we're going to be starting with the how-tos with Mike and doing a bunch of little how-to videos on different stuff. So my Tahoe has a bunch of things it needs, so why not let the shop pay for it and get it all fixed and make some videos out of it. Hopefully you guys can get some use out of it. So until next time, that's going to be it, guys. And remember, stock is not an option.